My name's Dave Hoskin. I'm the National Training Manager for Navien. I've been with the company for about 10 years now and have seen the launch of many successful products, including this new NPN that we have coming out now. The term non-condensing refers to the fact that in the heat exchanger itself, we transfer heat from the flue gas to the waterways, but we don't transfer as much heat. We don't drop that flue gas temperature down below the dew point so the water vapors don't condense inside the heat exchanger. The Navien Burner, which is patent pending, is designed to be better at ignition, at crossing over, at staging or modulating the burner. It's an improved non-condensing burner over what we see in the market currently. It's also made of stainless steel, which again is a better product, a better material to use in applications like this. The NPN is designed around a stainless heat exchanger because that's really the best material to use in terms of longevity, resistance to corrosion, resistance to erosion, pipe erosion, that kind of thing. And it's really at the heart of everything we do as a manufacturer. So all of our products, whether it's condensing or non-condensing, utilize stainless as a heat exchanger material. The APS, or the air pressure sensor inside our non-condensing unit, the NPN, is the same APS we use on all of our condensing units also. And what that is an air pressure sensor that measures the differential air pressure in the venting. That allows us to maintain a clean burn, to deal with pressure changes on the venting, not have to make any changes to dip switches on longer vent runs. So it allows the unit to be more flexible when it operates, but also on installation without having to make any major changes on it. So the NPN comes with a water adjustment valve and a mixing valve in every one of our units, all sizes, both the inside and outside unit. Those are both in there to ensure that we maintain a consistent outlet water temperature to deliver to the fixtures. The water adjustment valve controls the amount of flow going through the unit, and the mixing valve comes into play to help keep that water temperature constant coming out of the unit. The recirculation in the NPN uses the same logic and circuitry that we have on our condensing unit. So all of that technology has been brought into the circuit board of the NPN. The contractor simply adds a circulator to the system. He can hook that up to the circuit board inside the NPN, and that NPN circuit board will power that circulator and control the operation of that to maintain that recirculation loop using the same technology we've had in our condensing units. The NPN is available in 3 different capacities, 160,000, 180,000, 199,000, and it's also available in 2 different styles, the universal and the exterior unit. The significant difference between the U and the E units, even though they have the same heat exchanger and a lot of components inside are the same, the big difference between those two is that the U is that universal unit that can go either indoors or outdoors. It comes set up to be an indoor unit, it has the vent collar on the top of it, but then that can be removed and a vent cap to allow for outdoor installations can be added. The E unit, the exterior unit, is a dedicated outdoor unit. There's nothing that needs to be changed or added to be able to put that unit outside. Why do you use non-condensing versus condensing? There's just some applications out there where non-condensing is a better fit. Whether that's size, the NPN unit is smaller physically, whether that's an outdoor application where a non-condensing would fit better than a condensing unit. Some jobs you just don't have a way to dispose of condensation coming out of the heat exchanger. So a non-condensing would be a better application for that. And in some cases it's a retrofit system where a current non-condensing exists and it's an easy retrofit to go back to another non-condensing.